This company is seeking of course, skilled freelancer to format 3 Excel sheets using Python and the library used to manage such files. They want to apply various formatting options, and here they give the details. Fortunately, and I really appreciated it, they also provide an edited screenshot of the current situation and the initial delight left space to horror, because it is one of the cases that companies do dashboards on spreadsheets, something that I generally not advise. Yes, yes, yes. Most likely the person that did the left one is an admin, and they are familiar to spreadsheet and all those stuff that I heard many times. But still, this doesn't justify you to abuse spreadsheets and Python to do such useless task.